Good morning, YouTube. It's Black Tiger Miner here. Looks like Caspa's on a slight bull run. I don't want to say I told you so, but I told you so. Remember, Caspa. But let's get to this video. Someone's talking about this wallet that we discussed yesterday. Let's hear it from Blockchain Daily.
Never stop working. The Caspian community never stops crushing it. And soon enough, we will have our own browser wallet extension similar to MetaMask for Caspa. This is huge stuff. This is massive. Caspians, if you're tuning in, documenting Caspa, breaking Casper funding for MetaMask, Lightcast browser extension wallet fully completed and close. Details from Discord. In short, this fund is aimed to back up creation of a browser wallet extension for Casper, similar to MetaMask, supporting Firefox and Chrome-based browsers. It should implement all the basic wallet functionality as well as contact book, user settings, website to wallet communication API, and merchant mode. See vote above for details. People keep asking, how can I buy Casper to MetaMask? So let's create the wallet that's destined to eventually replace MetaMask. Talk your stuff, man. Yo, the devs in Cas just continue to crush it, man. That's awesome. Especially after Casper smart contracts are implemented. So eventually they're more with smart contracts, there may be swaps implemented to the Casper wallet, man. I wonder what the Casper wallet will be called, the MetaMask type wallet. Thanks to Italian community's last massive effort, the MetaMask Lite browser extension wallet fundraising is fully completed and closed. Good luck to Caffin PX and his teammates in implementing the wallet for us. This is from Tim, right? That is freaking bullish. That is some awesome news. And I'm telling you guys, this is what you like to see in Casper. You'll never see it somewhere else in any other project, because this is all community developers coming together, getting crowdfunded, similar to like a GoFundMe, etc. The community does a raise for a fundraise for whatever specific development, and it gets to that certain level, and then boom, the community devs start to go hard on it, man. There's so many other projects in the space where the team has so much access to, like, finances, and they have hundreds of thousands of dollars. And when it comes to these funds that Casper, the Caspians deal with, more than likely it's like $10,000 to $30,000 at most. That is sent to from donated from the community, right? And they're able to accomplish so much. Whereas with other projects, like I was saying, have so much funds available, hundreds of millions, and the project isn't going anywhere, man. The development, the GameFi projects, a lot of GameFi projects in the space, the games are not good. They're not developed properly. The DeFi protocols keep failing. There are security issues. It just goes to show, with true decentralization, you could find an absolutely amazing project, and that is Casper. Sam Paul, extremely bullish on Cas. Big things are coming very soon. Rust mainnet beta 10 BPS making history again. MetaMask like browser wallet extension. Listing on a tier 1 ledger. Lot of integrations. Some huge things that we already know coming long term. DAG 100 BPS smart contracts. First coin ever to solve the trilemma with its unique layer 1 structure, blockDAG proof of work following Nakamoto's consensus. I see it on the long term to be the first coin ever in history to take ETH's seat. Guys, and the current price is only 3 cents per Casper, man. Look at his targets. First target, $1. Peak bull run target, $5. Peak of the next bull run, $30 for Casper. In the next bull run after that, from Sam Paul, man. I'm telling you guys. And, these price targets that people have are not even that impossible. Like crypto is, always blows people's minds away. And when you have a project like Cas, the king of DAGs, right? We've seen other projects that are trying to, hop on the DAG wave now. Casper is the king of it, right? The most innovative, unique tech we've seen in a long time in the space, right? And when he says right here, sees the project could be the first coin ever in history to take ETH seat. I believe that is truly possible with Casper, guys. From MMO stars, more ways to control your CAS is coming with standalone browser extension wallet for Chromium-based FF browsers, right? People keep asking how can I buy CAS on MetaMask, and now they'll develop a MetaMask type extension, and from the sounds of things, replace or try to compete, with MetaMask, which is freaking bullish, man. Bitcoin scoop: CAS will get its own browser extension. You have to love that community. Casper is an L1 block DAG, and this is some huge news, man. This is absolutely fantastic and amazing to see for Casper is true decentralization. We've never seen any other project like this, man. Again, like I said, with the developments, most of the developments are crowdfunded, right? People in the community raise funds, and again, it's nothing too crazy. And look at what, with just like a minuscule amount of donations, can be accomplished when there's projects in the space with hundreds of millions of dollars and they're not accomplishing anything, man. This space needs a change. This space is too oversaturated with terrible projects, man. So when you see a project like Casper, this is a once in a lifetime opportunity to get your hands on a project that'll be here for the long term, not the short term, not similar to what people say it's here for. It's not in the case of Casper, it's not gonna be here for a good time, not a long one, right? It's gonna be here for a good time and a long time as well, right? That's what you're gonna see with Casper, guys. Right here, Casper on CoinMarketCap community tab, introducing a new tutorial series by Finance Change for Casper users of the app. Remember, you could store your CAS on the Change wallet as well. And right here, we're gonna have they're gonna have a tutorial process how you could set that up, how to create a Change self-custodial wallet. Follow the step-by-step guide. Explore the power of self-custody with CAS, your keys, your coins, your control. 3 more tutorials coming soon. Please subscribe to keep updated.
My name is Jorge Gaviria, and this is my business, Macienda. We bring heirloom corn products from Mexico to...
And right here, we have YouTube videos with the explanation from, looks like the official Casper YouTube channel, which is very nice to see. And tutorials makes things a lot easier and simpler for everyone. So if you can't, or you don't have the opportunity to get the Tangent wallet, you could store your cash on the Change wallet as well.
Shout out
Right?
to the Casper Community YouTube page. And this is Black Tiger Miner getting back to you. Remember, Casper, 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 Casper. But yeah, so this is a shout out to all the other YouTubers saying that there's a problem with Casper, or Casper's risky, or Casper is a scam, and not to hold Casper. I think I said yesterday in the video, the Casper community is strong, right? So don't worry about the fudders and everyone else trying to downgrade Casper, or to say, I think somebody was saying, Crypto John was saying, somebody told him it's going to get down to 2 cents. And I tried to inform you guys, this is not financial advice, but buy the dip, right? When it was down in the threes or the low threes, to buy it while it was low because it picked up. So I picked up some yesterday when it was down, and today it's up like 11-12%. So let's get to the numbers and let me know what you guys think the KASPA total bull run will be for this little cycle. And it's weird because generally in September, stocks and cryptos are down. So the fact that KASPA's having a bull run in September is another good thing for KASPA. So let's get to the numbers. So for the day, KASPA's up 11.7%. For the hour, it's down 0.6%. For the week, it's up 7.1%. And it's been a while since KASPA was up. For the month, it's still down 25.5%. And for the year, it's up 1,262%. I think yesterday it was 1,100% for the year. So things are starting to turn for KASPA. And this is CoinGecko. It has us at 48. I think yesterday we're at 54 or 52. So you see here 0.038 up 11.5%. Bitcoin's up 11.1%. I think we're going to break over to the 0.04. So we'll probably get to 4 cents today. Let me know if you agree or what do you think. Market cap is 771 million. Circular supply is 20.5 billion. Total supply is 20.5 billion. Max supply is 28.7 billion. Trading volume is 14 million. And if you watched the video yesterday, we were right at 6.5, 7 million in trading volume. So trading volume's up, and this fully diluted valuation is back up to the billions. It was in 900, I think, yesterday. So we'll see here the block explorer. Hash rate is up to 18.5 petahash. Percent mined is 70.75. The next reduction is 7 hours down to 175 CAS. BPS is 2.4, which is transactions per second, and BPS is 1.2, which is blocks per second. Latest price is 0.0377. The trading volume is 16 million. Market cap is 774 million. And still, the market cap ranking is 207. So this is CoinMarketCap. This is saying 0.037 up 11.28%. Market cap's up 11.69% to 780 million. 24-hour volume is up 129% to 16 million. Like I said before, it was down to like 6 or 7 yesterday, 6 or 7 million. So now we're back running. Circulating supply is 20.5 billion. Total supply is 20.5 billion. Max supply is 28.7. So we're back, baby. You know what I'm saying? Just keep an eye on it and let me know what you think. This guy GoldenEye says, damn, I go to the gym for an hour and see this. I'm wondering, does anyone have insider source where the pump is coming from? I've been looking all over the place and seen old news about bit by bit listing, but I thought it was already listed on Bybit. Okay, somebody brought this up yesterday. On Bybit, they are selling leverages. They're not actually selling the token. They're selling leverages for the token. And now they're actually going to sell tokens. And also they have where the MetaMask wallet. So I think between Bybit and MetaMask, that's what has is pumping. But we'll look and see, and then hopefully we can report on that. So for Live Coin Watch, market cap is 769 million. Total volume is 15.4 million. Volume to cap is 1.98. All-time high is 0.051. For the hour, we're up 0.067. The last 24 hours were up 11.3%. Last 7 days were up 7.57%. Last 30 days were down 24.95%, which is probably going to change soon. Last 90 days were up 154.7. And for the year, we're up 1,456. And if you remember yesterday, all these numbers were red, but the year. So things are definitely on the upswing. Remember, KASPA, KASPA, KASPA. So circulating supply is 20.5 billion. Total supply is 20.5 billion. Max supply is 28.7 billion. Total cap is 780 million. And if we just saw it was 772. So it's definitely running today. Last 24 hours, the percent is 12.85. So the 24-hour low is 0.0339. 24-hour high is 0.038. So things are on the upswing. And if we look at the 4-hour, you can see here the MACD cross, like I've been telling you guys. The MACD crossed here, the volume went down, and the MACD crossed again yesterday, looks like, and you can see the volumes building. And if you look at the chart here, we're at that 3.38, and we're probably going to push past this 3.396. We might get back to 4 cents today. So we'll keep an eye on that. And hopefully the volume keeps coming in and the price keeps pumping. So let's see for the day chart. You can see here yesterday I mentioned the rock bottom would be 0.027, and looks like we went down to the 0.034, and we bounced up to this 0.039. So I think things are finally going to swing up for a while. I'm not saying this is the full-on bull run, but we did get a nice bounce today. So let me know in the comments what you think, and if you think Casper is a good investment now. Stop listening to the FUD, guys. I'm telling you, we got a good thing here. Just hold on and wait it out. So here's the news. Don't forget to join my Twitter page. So here we have Casper Insider. Did you see Casper dip? And they're saying it was up 13.15% to 0.038. Casper Enthusiast is saying it's up to 0.038. And you can see the rise here, the slight bull run. And this is Casper News. Casper is the first layer one that's 100% solves the trilemma without multi-change sharding L2s. Casper is the first coin, the only protocol that will not be limited factor anymore, but only the speed of the network. You can see here, there's a lot of development going on, but you don't see the actual flower, I guess, versus other coins are getting a lot of flower, but there's no development here. Like these meme coins and like Wall Street memes and AI Doge and Pepe. There's a pump, but there's nothing going on behind the scenes. I want to throw Shibarium in that category as well. But let me know what you think, guys. And this is Jim Skybum, Jim Ski Bum. And he's saying top 5 listing for Casper tomorrow. And this is the BitBuy. As I said earlier, BitBuy is now letting you buy Casper versus just buying features or leverage on Casper. I'm not even 100% sure what that leverage is, but don't buy it. Wait to buy the actual token. This is not financial advice. I'm just trying to help you guys out here. Buy the tokens, don't buy leverage, and wait for the MetaMask wallet. Also saw this too. Not only Casper is a SOV, it's a perfect P2P decentralized money with sub-second block times. By having the ultimate combo, Casper Currency, in my opinion, is one of the brightest futures of crypto ahead. This isn't even counting the MEV resistant smart contracts. So that's another thing too. Once these smart contracts get finished and come online, there's going to be another pump. So just keep an eye out. But I don't want to take too much of your time up. I'm also probably going to do another video today if Casper continues to pump. So this is Black Tiger Miner telling you guys happy hump day. And remember, Casper, Casper, Casper. We're starting to run. And let's get back to the money, guys.